Duplex calendar instructions. First, adjust settings. Confirm the last 4 pins are disengaged. However, if you are using a Xerox phaser, disengage 3 pins only. Confirm the margin adjustment dial is at 4 mm. Confirm the binding dial is at 3/8. Finally, confirm the alignment guide is set to the first mark. Start the binding process. Place poly cover sheet into the machine, all the way in, against the alignment guide. Pull the punching lever down to punch holes. Place the first 7 double-sided prints of the calendar into the machine, all the way against the alignment guide, and punch holes. Place these prints on top of the poly cover, with front facing down. Repeat step for the remaining double-sided pages of the calendar. Push wire holder to open, then place wire with wide loops facing toward the inside of the clamp. Very important. Check the order of the calendar pages. Make sure everything looks correct. With poly cover sheet on top, load the calendar on the wire. The calendar should hang on the wire. Remove uncrimped calendar from wire holder, and place in the binding channel. Make sure the wire is in contact with the magnet to avoid any movement while binding. Pull the binding lever down to finish the calendar assembly. Make sure the wire is properly closed. The duplex calendar is now complete.